Hey, how's it going, Leroy and Oscar? This is Devin. Thank you so much for speaking to me earlier. I'm going to really quickly in this video just show you 3 things I found on your website that you can fix so you can start bringing in more customers right away. I know you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you, and it's really simple. I just found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there who are just busy running their business and they don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And typically the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they just don't know who is an expert and who isn't. And so I found that by just making these attack plans and giving them away for free, there's still a lot of business owners who end up calling me back going, you know what, Devin, I like you. Can you just do this stuff for me? So at the end of this all, if you want to do this stuff yourself, please do. If you want my help with it, that's okay too. What I'm going to talk to you about today is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. Let's start by looking at your website. I really love the look of it. I like that you have a YouTube video right here, which is really smart to keep people on your page. That definitely helps with ranking. And you've got this really cool scrolling gallery right here with really nice photos. So your website from a design point of view is awesome. It's a really beautiful website. Unfortunately, Google just doesn't rank you based off of how good looking your website is. What they care about is your content, how much, like these words right here, and how much you have. So the average website on the homepage of Google right now has about 2,000 words of content, and you guys currently have 1,061. So you're going to want to definitely get that up to 2,000 words. Your main competitor is Cool Air Sam, and if I go and look right here, how many words they currently have themselves 1,302. So about a little over 200 more than you. This is one of the main reasons they're outranking you, but by getting yourself to 2,000 words, you're going to blow them out of the water. Now you also want to have really high value keywords inside of your content. So like one of them is, AC Repair Katy, something that people type in all the time. And if I go to your page and type in AC Repair Katy, you don't have that one time on your page. So you want to you do have AC Repair on your page a couple times, but you want to have the keyword AC Repair Katy so you get picked up for that keyword when somebody types it in. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is really important because Google is kind of like a popularity contest, and so they want to see a bunch of other websites linking to you, vouching for you. The thing is, though, they do want to see relevant links, which means they're going to give you a lot more power if there's another plumbing company linking to you versus if there was like, or not plumbing, sorry, HVAC. Well, plumbing would be good too, but like another HVAC company linking to you versus if like Pizza Hut was linking to you, because Google knows that you're not a pizza company. And so the tool that I use to check this out, it's called Ahrefs. It does cost a little bit. You don't have to use it. You can use some free tools, but it gives you a lot of really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. And it says you guys have been around for quite a long time. And you drop links, then you picked them up, and you're currently sitting at 131 websites linking to you. Here's all your titles and stuff. If you go to Cool Air Sam, they actually have less links than you. They have 131 versus their 118. The big difference though is the quality of links. So this is your URL rating. All that means is how powerful the page is, the main page, and then the domain rating is how powerful the entire website is. And you want these to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. And theirs is actually a little closer to 1-to-1 than yours is. So that really helps them out. What I would do if I were you is I would just go see what websites are linking to them, go copy these websites and get them linking to you as well so you can start taking their power. You just go visit these sites, you click the create an account button, you put a link in your profile, or you just click the contact us button and ask them to send you a link. But by just following those 2 tips alone, that's enough to get you to the organic section, number 1, and you can beat these guys here. This is one of 3 places you could show up. You can show up organically, you can show up right here in the map pack, in the ad section. This does cost quite a bit more money, and your results aren't really guaranteed here, but your best option is going to be landing right here, and you can land in all 3 of these places on the homepage. If you're wondering how to get into the Google My Business section, you just need to have more citations than your competitors. And you see Cool Air Sam holds the top spot here and the top spot here. They're getting a ton of business. So a citation is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And a directory is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Yelp and Yext and White Pages and Yellow Pages and stuff like that. If I were you, what I would do is I would figure out what directories Cool Air Sam is listed in, go list yourself on those same ones, and then add a bunch more on top. Like if they were in 150, you should be putting yourself in like 250, if not 300. But that's all I've got for you. I hope you found this really informative and helpful. I tried to keep this short and sweet for you guys. Just as a very quick recap, you're going to want to have about 2,000 words on this homepage, and you want to have keywords like AC Repair Katy in there. You have a good amount of backlinks, but you don't have the most powerful ones, so I would just go figure out what links these guys are linking are getting to themselves and go to these websites and get the links back to you. And the last thing is I would figure out what directories these guys are listed in, list yourself in the same ones, and add a bunch more on top. And so Leroy and Oscar, if you guys follow these tips, you'll be #1 across all of Google. So you're probably wondering, what do I do now? Well, you have two options. You can take this information, you can apply it yourself, and you can rank yourself up here and really explode your business. And I'm hoping you do that. I'm looking for as many business owners as I can help as possible. So just sending me some feedback on letting me know about the info on this video is enough for me. I do appreciate that. If you do want to continue just running your business and you don't want to worry about this marketing and you want someone else to do it for you, or you just have any questions, give me a call. My phone number is in the email. If I can't help you, I'll at least guide you in the right direction to know what you want to do. Either way, I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks. Bye.